So what I'm going to do right now is called a reenactment. A reenactment means that I already spoke with you earlier, right? Yeah. So I'm not going to talk much. I'm just going to show you. Are you with me? How it works. And this here is the workbook that will be sent to your, with the permission of the PTA and Madam, which will send to your parents, and then you have access to everything I said is here on the workbook. And including more. So earlier I mentioned that the grading system that you are graded by is called the STANINE grading system. STANINE grading system. So it's a game between whole numbers and what? Counting numbers. And I already mentioned that the whole numbers start from 0, yeah, for me. The counting numbers start from 1, yes. And I mentioned that as you, let's repeat the exercise here. As you stretch out your fingers, yes, the whole number starting from 0 and at number 9. We're going to use 0 as our place value marker, okay, like we did earlier. So the 0 represents the mark, or so to speak, where the grade will be. Are you with me? So for a grade 1, it's as if you've overcome how many obstacles? Overcome 9 different obstacles to be able to get what? Grade what? 1. Yeah. And if you get a grade 2, how many obstacles have you overcome? 8. What about grade 3? 7. Grade 4? 6. Grade 5? Grade 6? 4. Grade 7? 3. Grade 8? 2. And grade 9? 1. So, which of these grades need to work? If you want to get them, you need to work a lot harder. Grade 1. Because you're overcoming how many obstacles? 9. And which of them shows that you might not have worked so hard? Why? You've overcome how many obstacles? 0, 1. But it means that you overcome very few obstacles. Now, the BC that I'm going to write is an obstacle course. I demonstrated it earlier. So imagine that you have a number of students here at the beginning of the obstacle course. They have to run through all these different levels of obstacles. So it's like a game. You have to run through all the levels of obstacles. And then before you get the medal, what? 1. Before you get the medal, 1. So imagine that you have 100 students writing. It is the first 4 that are given medal what? 1. That is how the BEC system works. The first 4. In other words, the first 4%. What it means is that it's like all the students in Ghana are standing on a line about to run a marathon. How many of you know a marathon? Yes. And how many of you think it is easy? Is it easy? Yeah, it's difficult. But how many of you know that a marathon takes small steps? How many of you know that? Small steps. Is it like a 100-meter race? Marathon takes how many? Small steps. So by taking small, correct steps, you can move all the way to getting a grade of what? 1. And it's only, how many are given this grade? 4 students. So if there are, like I mentioned earlier, if there are 100,000 students in the country, only what? 4,000 get grade 1. Yes. So that's 4. I'll put it there. They get grade what? 1. Now how many get grade 2? You remember I mentioned it earlier? 7. Excellent. So you have only 7 students. Out of a what? 7 students out of what? 100 students get grade what? 2. Do you think it's fair? Is it fair? Why? Why is it not fair? Why is it not fair? Let's communicate. Why is it not fair? If there's no answer, that means you think it's fair. Is it fair? No? Yes? Why is it not fair? So we will look at the reasons in the workbook. So I've just reenacted it, and as it goes, the number follows. So those who get 3, those who get 2 are 7%. Those who get what? 3 are 12%. Those who get what? 4. Those who get 5, 20 of the students. And 17 of them get what? 6. 12 of them get what? 7. 7 of them get what? Grade 8. And then 4 of them get grade 9. So how many of you want to get grade 1 in all the subjects? Wow, let's clap for that. So please, like I mentioned, if you want to get grade 1, it means that you are telling me that this group of students want to pass in the obstacle course. They want to pass all the other schools that are in Temple. Are you with me? So like we said, how much effort do you think you need to put in?